Hey, Riss.
Hi.
Hey, Riss, go stand over, like, where it's the deepest over here. So you can see, like, how deep the snow is. Probably melted a little bit, too. It was maybe a little bit.
Yeah, it was really hot today.
Yeah. It's like 29 degrees out. AM, you're on TV.
What?
You're on video. Wave.
No.
Why not? Wave, Riss. Are you camera shy?
A little
Did you guys bring the garbage in?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good job.
It's actually nice of the heat. I love it. We can like go from a blizzard to this.
Yeah,
In like 2
not
days.
too bad.
Oh, Moorhead. The city of unexpected weather.
Yeah, that's it. It's not too unexpected. Riley, you want to come out? Go get the girls. Come on. What you doing? Go ahead. Call Riley.
Riley, come here. Riley.
She said forget it. She's going back in. Well, so there's what we ended up with. Wasn't too bad. Alrighty, girls. Wave bye.